Small changes in the way you cook can add up to big results in weight loss if you know how to cheat. Now, I've got 4 substitutions for your favorite fattening ingredients. They're my secret weapons to cheat in the kitchen. And I guarantee you will lose weight without sacrificing taste. And Julie's here to prove it. How are you, Julie?
Good, thank you.
So what's one of your favorite foods you make for your family?
Well, they love lasagna, nice meat, cheesy lasagna with buttery garlic bread.
I see it in your eyes.
Yeah.
You have images stored in there.
Yeah.
All right. Let me show you can continue to make the lasagna and all the other products you want to make without adding calories and without adding fat. The first kitchen cheat is actually for butter. We all love butter. You cook with it a lot?
It gives the flavor to the food. It's nice and rich and it's good
You have to have butter, right?
Yes.
But I think you can cheat on your butter
Oh?
if you use canned pumpkin. This is a nutritional powerhouse. It is rich in potassium. It has iron in it. 1 cup has 7 grams of fiber. I mean, this stuff is good.
Wow.
It does all the things you want it to do for you. It's easy to purchase, and it's reduced fat, and it's low in calories. And it keeps the moisture in all your recipes. Now, typically, I keep half the butter that you normally would use.
Okay.
And then you add, mix in instead of the other half of the butter, use the organic pumpkin. Same amount. If you mix those together, you'll get this creamy solution that is perfect to bake with, and you can actually make these kinds of products with it. So I have made these for you. These are my little muffins. I think you'll enjoy them. You can make pancakes with them. You can make cookies with them. Again, look for low-sodium pumpkin. So give it a taste. See what, you'll never go to someone's house and not taste their muffins. Let's see what she thinks.
It's good.
It's
Great.
good.
I mean, muffin in itself is hard to get a good texture, but this is good.
She's eating more. Okay, the next secret we're going to talk about, and this is an important kitchen cheat, is for cream. So you make a lot of creamy dishes at home?
Yeah, I do fettuccine alfredo or even mac and cheese.
It must be a fun hostel living. That's good. All right, so for the fettuccine alfredo, I've got a little cheat for you. You're going to not think this is feasible, but this is to die for. Tofu.
Really?
Now, before everyone starts rolling their eyes, I want you to, tofu, please, come on, cream. If you replace your cream with this tofu, you replace the saturated fat, you replace the calories that are normally found in the cream. And if you get silken tofu, which is this kind of tofu, if you look at this, guys, you see how it's sort of soft?
Right.
It actually looks like it's cream a little bit, right? It's not the regular tofu, it's silken tofu, high in protein, low in fat. It may lower your cholesterol because of the fact that it's tofu. It's got phytoestrogens, and for that reason, it lowers the risk of heart disease. So I can give you 100 different reasons why it's good, but you actually have to like the taste. So give this a taste, and I'm going to explain what it is. If you mix this up with other products, you can puree it in the soups and the sauces. It works in a mac and cheese, potato soups. This happens to be silken tofu tomato soup.
And I don't like tomato soup.
Oh, you don't?
But this is really good.
It's good, isn't it?
Oh, I like it.
Yeah, I mean, it's a kind of one-to-one transition that you can make without anybody knowing it in your family. And you have cheated on your old-fashioned cream to make them healthier.
No, it's really, really good.
Yeah. So we use this a lot in my house, silken tofu. Okay, next kitchen cheat is one for this sandwich calorie killer, which is mayonnaise. Right? Just a little dollop of mayonnaise. Put 80 calories on there half the time, right? A lot of fat, too. So what are you going to replace it with? What do you do? Will you use a lot of mayo in your lunch sandwiches?
3 kids, I have to make their lunches. I eat one myself, tuna fish.
What do you think they would say if you came home and made them an avocado Greek yogurt power combo instead of the mayo?
I want to try it. It looks really good.
Here, you know what? This is what it looks like. Give that a taste. Right. Remember, now these are both super creamy foods, so they give you the same texture as mayo normally has in it. If you combine half a cup of avocado with Greek yogurt, 2% kind, you get a lot less of the, you don't get the saturated fats, you get a lot of the healthy fats, and most importantly, you just need a little dab of it to give you the exact same texture as mayo.
I like the consistency because with them, they don't like to eat vegetables, but they love avocado and they like the yogurt.
So that works. Do me a favor. Put some on this bread.
Okay.
This is good. She knows how to make food. This is perfect. Okay, now lick the knife. Nah, didn't I teach you anything? Oh. Okay, just put it right there. My goodness. All right, take a small bite so you can continue to talk about the sandwich. All right. Would your kids enjoy that?
Definitely.
I'll give it to you. I promise you. Have it as soon as we're done. As soon as you're done, this is yours. And the final cheat, and this is the cheat for one of the biggest problems we have, is sugar. Right? You gotta make sugar on everything. I want you to cheat on your sugar with banana puree. This is the simplest, easiest cheat of them all. You take a banana, you mush it up with some with a fork, or you can put it in a blender, whatever you want to do. You replace half the sugar that's called for in the recipe. For example, if you need 1 cup of sweetener that you're supposed to use, you get half a cup of that sweetener or sugar, and use a half a cup of this banana puree. You mix it up. This is just a banana puree. When you mix it with the sugar, it adds fiber, it adds moisture, and it will take on the flavor of the fruit puree. So you get all the benefits. So we made these cookies with my recipe, right? With, again, half of the sugar replaced with this banana puree. This you can eat the whole cookie. Give me a taste. See what you think about
But
it.
not the whole cookie, right?
No,
Just the
it's all
taste.
yours. You know what? You can have 2 cookies. Take 2. All right. You like it?
Yeah,
It's good, isn't
they're
it?
great. It's not over dry. It just gives it a nice, good, sweet.
So which one are you going to use first for your family? Oh, the avocado yogurt. Folks, I have all these recipes on droz.com. Use them, give them a shot. I'm pretty sure you can trick and cheat on your ingredients you've got in your kitchen, and you'll help your families at the same time. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.